Captain Tate.
Are you not interested?
Tate. There's this apartment, so. This one's right here.
Man.
Usually hits it around this foot. I knew I don't say like that really is. You can make candy fall out. You want the gumball? You want a gumball? You want a gumball?
Sure.
Okay. Ready? Gumball, Spencer.
Cool.
That was a goodie bag at the party. That's a pretty good goodie bag. And if it empties, I can put M&M's in it. Yeah. And luckily, you don't have to put a quarter in or anything. No.
When I was younger, you had to use quarters still.
Yeah, then you could just take it back out.
That's what I did.
And
How?
if friends want something,
I want to
they
do
can
that.
use quarters.
Okay. I'm at somewhere and I just want to put a quarter and then a piece of string, but I can't get a hole or anything.
Oh, you're talking about the ones like at the store. No, I had a gumball machine like that, and I had to put a quarter in it.
We could always put a Twinkie in it. That would be good. Twinkie. It must work.
Well, I just took the back off of it and put a quarter in it. Oh, that makes me nimble.
Razor does pull down that little lever. Be careful, sometimes two or three fall out.
Oh, it's funny you can't put it up and put one back in.
Here, there, you can do it the back way.
Is that the low battery beat?
Yep.
Got your phone charger?
Charge you over there on this table, so you can just phone it, shut it down.
I told him to keep charging it. He didn't believe me. Yeah, it's gone dead.
And check, we usually keep one in all the vehicles, and I've got this one here, there's one over there, there's one on that black stand, and then let's see here, I keep two in the bedroom, one in the bringing room for her phone.
Never chew on gum too long.
Yeah, then it tastes nasty.
Yeah, and then it gags
Ooh.
you when you try to get it out.
See if I can film it. Oh yeah. I went to sleep with one in my mouth. Woke up and it was like, it tasted so bad.
Yeah, oh, I thought that was gross.
Dun dun dun. Because it Brina can get you.
Put them all in there, okay? Don't put too much pressure.
Look, my kitty.
I know you do. Now I'm just going to make some chocolate.
I cannot go without a day without chocolate, or I'll go crazy.
I have to.
Cover caffeine. I must have my coffee.
I don't think that looks like coffee, but way better.
Hot chocolate?
Yes. I think the bigger marshmallows go better.
Yeah, you have things to go to next place for you to eat marshmallow baby.
Danny likes those Snickers.
Yeah.
Snicker. I'm snickering.
That's it.
I remember for grade one we were these like these little ice cream flavors. I was chocolate mint or whatever. Because either you really like it or you really don't. Like some people really don't like me and some of them really do. That really described me. And the guy who Snickers a lot got Snickers. And Sebastian was chocolate glass because he always comes in the room laughing his mouth off.
Yeah, I believe that one.
Hey, what happened to them big fish you had?